Rachel, it's bedtime now, Mom will say. Finish up your show, it's the end of the day. Oh, Mom, please, just a few more minutes. Let me stay up, I'm still in it. Dad comes in, sweetie, it's late. Time to say goodnight, don't hesitate. Rachel's sighs are really okay. She knows it's time to end her day. Good night, good night. The stars are so bright. Good night, good night. Sleep well tonight. Rest your head, close your eyes. Good night, sweet dreams under moonlit skies. That's right, good night, Rachel, Mom will say. Good night.
Mom, good night, Dad, okay?
Sleep tight, sweetheart, Dad whispers low. Rachel smiles, it's bedtime, you know. Good night, good night. The stars are so bright. Good night, good night. Sleep well tonight. Rest your head, close your eyes. Good night, sweet dreams under moonlit skies. In the quiet night, the world slows down. Dreams will come in a peaceful sound. Say goodnight to the ones you love. Rest in comfort, stars shine above. Good night, good night. The stars are so bright. Good night, good night. Sleep well tonight. Rest your head, close your eyes. Good night, sweet dreams under moonlit skies. Good night, sweet dreams, it's time to rest. Mom and Dad's hugs, you're truly blessed. Good night, good night.